itong Oplan Waras plaka po natin, it is the distribution of motorcycle plates for the year model na 2017 and below, which was purchased po dito sa Cordillera. However, included din po kung sakaling meron tayong mga recent transactions dito sa Cordillera, included din po sila sa pwede pong mabigyan ng plate number ng motor na may na-distribute. Kaya tinawag din po nating Waras plaka. In the local dialect kasi, Agiwaras is to distribute. So, yun po yung naging drive po ng office is to distribute motorcycle plates. Pag-distribute po ng ating opisina is through the owners mismo. Ano po, yun po yung maganda. Kaya every now and then, meron po tayong mga distribution ng plates sa different barangays, municipalities, mga ganyan. Tapos pag kami mga partnership, kagaya po nitong Oplan Drive po ng Baguio City Police and the City of Baguio, nag-invite po sila for us to be able also to distribute po yung mga plate numbers.